are pleased to show you the 2019 Ford Transit Wagon. The Ford Transit Wagon offers a wide variety of flexibility regardless of whether you're trying to haul a large number of passengers or you simply need the space for work purposes. This vehicle is the meaning of versatility. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, anti-lock braking system, keyless entry, traction control, stability control, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, four-wheel disc brakes, AM/FM stereo radio, passenger airbag, power door locks, bucket seats, power windows, rear head airbag, auxiliary audio input, rear air conditioning, brake assist, third passenger door, rear wheel drive. Come take a test drive today.